Go ahead. All right. There we go. I got to activate it. Yeah. Right here.
Oh, there you are.
Yep. I pulled it.
That was quick. Oh, you did.
Of course I'm going to get this since it's a special one, since I got to do that. Of course I'm going to. Since I got to pull the fire alarm, of course I'm going to be recording.
What are you videoing?
That's okay. That's all right.
Yeah. You can tell I'm really hyper right now.
Yes, I can tell. I can tell.
Yeah, the one that's safety director,
Sorry.
what's his name?
Rick Roush.
Yeah, he was just like Marty, because he knew what Marty was having me do
Oh,
already.
he knew. Okay. I called up the office to make sure, just because I didn't know that he didn't let anybody know.
Oh, and they already said that Marty said? Did they already say Marty said about it?
Yeah, they said he did. Yeah.
Oh, so they already all knew.
I think they all knew. Yeah. We're lining up alphabetically.
All right, anyway, yeah, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. This is Foxy the Furry Fox with my special where I'm a senior. I got to pull the fire alarm activate. Anyway, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.